Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. Today we're going to make a nachos cheese with Doritos. Let's get our ingredients. First, we need tomato ketchup, then classic mayonnaise, then we need oregano, then any other vegetable like onion, then 2 spoons and a bowl. First, let's take a bowl for mixing and we'll put 2 spoons of classic mayonnaise. Then we'll add tomato ketchup. One spoon of tomato ketchup. Now let's mix. Now let's test how it is. It's good.
Trivia time!
Thank you for watching. Please like, share, comment and subscribe.